Guys, it's a jackal when the night party now, guys. We pull up the pot already, you know, this one big jack here. We pull up the whole entire frying pan. So you know we have to boil fish, they're not little. So that is it. And 3 more left, guys. You know the 3 family, so this is enough. We don't go too greedy. You get it? And guys, me on the phone I say if you eat and you don't get big belly, give big belly because you don't get no time to digest your food. You just eat and go lay down and work because me live in our whole entire family of Clarendon, and when them eat, then just go lay down and you don't want to see whole family of them tummy big. So nobody can tell me about to eat and lay down. Beer make your belly big, yes, when you drink, but to eat and lay down, and some people just burn big already with them belly. They not try to control it, so you just hang over most all the time. Yeah, because you have some people vice versa, because you have some people same way love beer and you know rise them belly none at all. It's a healthy food where you eat and how you carry yourself and treat yourself and the meal where you eat. Yeah man guys, so we will just go and relax, so relax, no kill up on ourselves because we can't done work, you know, we are done left work. We just can't do what we have to do and make sure we place a tidy up and we can do one little thing, but we can't done work guys, we are done left work. Yes, so we will just take it easy and just go and do a little one we can do and thank God for the health and his strength we Father God give way. Yeah man, that is it. So we just go and stay tuned. Yeah man guys, jackfish frying coming on lovely. You know, I don't put no flour, because them fish I just come out I see just right away now forget no flour. You know guys, I fish them, you know they pan supermarket fridge long time and them need flour, so and certain fish, you know fish them. So my father fisherman, you know guys, so they eat whole heap of fish and stuff like that. When me usually go to school, he pick me the usually trouble me say I pay fish me eat. But me fish in my back, and that's why my back strong. Lobster come. That's why my back strong and 3 son me get. Because me eat them the food they from in her belly till me come out her belly, you know. My father diver, uncle diver, my grandfather diver, we pass away, all them pass away. Big him up the same way in heaven. Yeah, that is it, guys. So we just go and stay tuned. Right, jump plum, they have days in here. Who can tell me, say, right, jump plum give best jump plum juice, a nice and a green one. Because we do juice all the while, so I can't tell you blend up juice all the while. The ripe jump plum, nice to make a jump plum juice more than a green one. So anybody know run go try and no find out. Yeah man, GG not tell no lie man. The best jump plum gear juice good is the ripe one like these. Yeah man, so we just go and stay tuned. I know we have the whole heap and galore and a tree, so we have to make sure we eat everything healthy, drink healthy. It better we do it natural more than because I want them what they sell in our supermarket. They ain't go through too much process and it's something that when we while I pick your 5 tree and cut up and blend up with ginger and stuff like that guys, and just blend up it, strain it and drink it official, you know guys. So when we forget you have you out a shop of fruit juice and them they will not get they say natural pan the buckle, but they make sure I tell us say natural, but you know natural as what they must say. Because them they have feel long out, you know guys, for them get a whole heap out of it, you know, and put some sitting with it cure, you know, like same like how them carbine food for make it grow fast and ripe fast, chemical, them they just sick way off. because chemical when they mix in a water and you dip jump plum and put out. When you get it, sometimes the jump plum they force ripe, but then young same way and green. When you bite them blister up, then come like you know me I talk about, guys. Who know. So no just go and say to say a Gigi and also Gigi I go just talk up with things them. So yeah man, I just so you go. So me like how cooperate we are live in a negativity, positive things we are deal with, guys. So who who no run call no. Yeah man. So me fish the here a while. Soon can take him out, guys. Yeah, that is the time I have my jasmine rice when I go cook. So it's dinner epic, guys. Yeah man, guys, last jasmine rice left in a bag, so we just go get it steam. Yeah, now me I go throw it in a pot, me I go cook it. Yeah man, then I two parrot fish, nice and lovely. This you get this steam with all 2 crackers and your okra and your pot noodle and your coconut juice and your natural seasoning, guys. You soon do all of that, guys. Let me just cook because, you just want to cook that. But when I time I go look about the steamed fish and crackers because I like steamed fish, guys. Yeah, and fish I want to grow up, Yeah, man. So we just go and stay tuned. Come on, guys, the house are coming on. Beautiful, guys. You see there, you have to just take your time and do what you can do. Yes, so by you guys come back again, you reach to lintel. Yeah. Just give that a close look. See there, guys. The flooring deal already done up already, guys. So by you guys come back, everything reached to little already, guys. So just go and stay tuned. Yeah man, guys, there are lots of fish left. Yeah, no fish fry now, guys. So I'm just go get this out. Nice, lovely fried fish. Anybody want no fish when if them are come down and you can order them and put them down. Now it's beautiful when come to Jamaica, but I can get some nice lovely fish like this, so just go and stay tuned. And guys, I love the fish left enough to put them, line up them in another pot, guys. We are going to put them down. Yeah, man, guys, the last fish and this is ground. Yeah, jasmine rice are going to bubble up, I can smell it strong. Oh my God, so I'm just going to stay tuned. Yeah man, guys, the fish is cooking down lovely. I have my natural season them and my fish. Yeah, it's a good look, guys. So I just go and stay tuned till I check the rice. The jasmine are steaming, guys. And no pea heat. Jasmine rice, you can smell it, say it's strong. So I just go and stay tuned. Come on, guys, may I go check paneer fish, guys. Wow, fish, lovely cooking down, lovely everything, guys. I see that. So guys, you just go and stay tuned. Yeah man, till we are going night, guys. This is rice here, guys. Rice is ready to, guys. Man, guys, you know, it's 3 or 4 days at the moment. We call June, I think get some, but me not getting grandmother phone. So this is for Nick, this is for Tarzan, and this is my own. So guys, enjoy with the family. So we just go put them on the table, and we soon see how we are go enjoy with fish and our lovely jasmine rice. So we just want to stay tuned. Yeah man, guys, apple blossom again, you know, guys, and our day apple the pantry, you know. With January apple pick to in February now apple bloom already. So guys, and they are clean up, you know. You remember me just show no a cut. Yeah man, it creep up and burn. So as soon as possible we are going to plant up some other food stuff, because you know guys, we can't bother with the eat too much carbine food, you know. So we want natural thing. Instead of we feel live longer, we eat up with carbine food, them and are dead fast. So and them they don't go blow you up and make you big, you know. But somebody want slim like me and then can't, because they can't stand up to it, because them have to go up on diet, eat certain time, drink certain things. Yeah man, guys, yeah, so they that burn out, you know. You know, a little wild cane them. Yeah man, then they that burn right out and see cane here, guys. You know, you can't step in your backyard, pick him cut one cane, and have to go to the road and buy one little bag of it $200. You know? Yeah, because everything get expensive, and we know we must can plant with tomato, with sweet pepper, with carrot, because we have banana and planting already. We already cut. We have jelly tree, so one jelly tree over there, so we have jelly. Yeah man, now we have a plum tree. And so we must can plant up, because things when the rain fall or hurricane, things get sky high, people you can't ever buy. What do you can ever buy tomato, because the deer and sweet pepper. Now you can't get to buy one little one or so. You want to see the tomato too, guys, $300. You see, there's some ripe plum. I drop off a tree, guys. You can step in your backyard, take up a nice ripe plum. You see it, and then just drop off, guys. I love ripe jump plum. You see tree right there, so them a drop off. Huh? Nice, see him cane. Look how cane them beautiful, man, and fat. Yeah, so they're right in your backyard, yeah, so guys. Yeah, soursop tree, I want you pick up so soursop and fight. You me good for your nerves, they say good for your nerves if you are shake. You're drinking and calming. Yeah man, so guys, you know, just go and stay tuned and watch you are going till Gigi step out with another epic content again. The sky is the limit. Yeah, it's very blue and pretty now, guys. We get a fair day today, so now just go and stay tuned and watch we are going.